guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, this is like a late start. We're about to go pick up our kids. I'm having a monster. Oh, I almost couldn't say monster. I know they're not good for us, but I don't drink them as much as I used to. I used to drink them every day. Now I drink them every 2 weeks or whatever. So I don't drink them that much because I don't drink that much coffee either now. Now my new thing is boba tea. But I just wanted to show you my hair. It's not perfect because I'm not good at styling my hair at all. But I decided to use my this heating tool. I don't know what you would call this wand. I've had it since like 2008, 2009, I believe. So I've had it for a long time and it still heats up. It works really good, so I'm shocked. I got it a long time ago at the mall and it still works pretty good. I just want to get it like a regular curler, or like, you know, because I have another one. No, I gave it away because I don't know. I just don't know how to use heat tools, you know. I don't know. I'm bad at getting myself a nice like hairstyle because I'm the worst at that. That's why I'm usually with my hair down because I just don't know what to do with my hair. Or I use my, let me show you, hold on. Oh, it's like stuck. Or I'll use, oh, how did this get stuck? This crimper. And I mean, but I don't know, I feel like this is better when you have really long hair. And even like with this one, because my hair gets super poofy when it's short, so when it's long, it's more like a beach wave or like, you know, mermaid kind of look. So that's why I don't really use heat tools unless it's a strainer. And yeah, and this is all I have. Like, here's the strainer my mom gave me a few years on Christmas, I believe, or I don't know if it was Christmas or my birthday, but I think it was on 2 Christmas ago, and it still straightens my hair. And I only have this like blow dryer, nothing special, because it was like literally like $15 or $12. Not the best because it's super short, so if I'm like this, sometimes it gets unplugged. So that's the thing that is so annoying. And this one doesn't have like a cold setting. It's super hot and it takes forever to dry my hair. So I know that I need better tools, but since I'm not the best at like, you know, doing anything with my hair or like blowouts or whatever, that's why I don't spend money on that kind of stuff, because I'm not good at it, you know. And I haven't used this product in a while because the first times that I used it, I loved it. Like it made my hair super shiny. But the last 2 times I used it, I don't know if it's my blow dryer or what, but I feel like it didn't really do a different. I didn't see a difference. But I don't know, maybe because the last 2 times I did apply more than I usually do. I don't know. I'm gonna try to keep working with it, but I had given up. I'm not gonna lie. But this stuff is not cheap, so I'm gonna keep trying to use it. Yeah, but I just want to get better at like doing my hair, you know, because my hair always looks so bad. And let's see, I don't know what perfume, even though it's the afternoon, I haven't worn no perfume, and I don't know which one to wear. Because I'm just wearing a simple sweater with let me show you, these black leggings or sweatpants that I always usually use because it's still so cold where I live. I don't know, even though it does not go with the vibe, I don't know. Oh, you know what? I just used this one from Michael Kors, and it's sparkling blush. It's so hard to spray today. Yeah, this stuff smells so good. I can't believe I'm like almost done. So yeah, guys, I'm not gonna do anything today, I don't think. Oh, so cold. But if I have anything planned, I'll record, because honestly my life is not fun at all. I'm a homebody, so I don't do much, you know. And a lot of my family members, they live in kind of far because they live in a different city than me, and that's why I haven't gotten my nails done yet, because as you know, my sister's gonna do my nails, but she lives a little far from me, so it's kind of hard, you know, to just go over there and get my nails done. But hopefully in 2 weekends from now I can go get my nails done, because I almost got these nails from Target. They went viral, and all you do is put the glue and they look super nice. But I don't know, I just kind of want to wait until my sister gets my nails done. But yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna do anything today or tomorrow, but I'll just try to vlog, you know, and try to think of things so I don't bore you guys, and it's not like a what is the word called, like where you just repeat the same thing, you know. So yeah, but anyways guys, oh, and let me tell you, the lipstick I'm wearing is a lipstick that I've had for like a long time, and there's still some in there, and I bought it a long time ago at TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and I never saw it again. And I used to see it way before I bought it a lot, but if I would have known how good it was, I would have gotten so many of these, because this is bomb. It's super matte, but it's like super soft, and like it makes your lips look so flawless. I don't know how to explain it, like so smooth. And it's by the brand Mented, and it's in blood orange. Yeah, so, and then it has an M right there. Yeah, but this color is so pretty, but it's just so hard to find it anywhere else, because I would always see it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but it's been years, maybe 2 years or a little more since I bought this lipstick. And I always forget to use it because it's so pigmented, and you only need to put a little bit, and it applies it so smooth. Does not feel like anything in your lips, on your lips, like you don't feel nothing. It's like so thin but so pigmented and so smooth. I don't know, but today I decided to wear that lipstick. I don't know, I feel like when I curl my hair I had to wear like a burgundy lipstick, you know. And sorry, like I can't catch my breath. It's because like sometimes it's so hard for me to breathe normal, because I have chronic bronchitis, and I don't know, it's just like, ugh, I'm always like, you know, and I'm gaining weight again, so I need to start getting active, because I do not want to keep gaining weight like I used to, because I was doing so good when I worked at my other daycare. I was losing so much weight, but I just have to be better with what I eat, you know. But anyways guys, maybe, well, like I said, if I do anything tomorrow, or if I think of anything, and then I'll come back. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Morning guys, it's the next day. I'm wearing just these leggings with this, I don't know what you would call this, and I just put perfume. I've been obsessed with these perfumes, mixing them together, so I'm going to show you. So it's my Michael Kors sparkling blush. I love mixing it with my pink sugar. It smells so good together. If you have these perfumes, try mixing them together. They are bomb, delicious, and it's so addicting, right? And then today I decided to add a little bit of this one, the Clean Classic Skin and Vanilla, because this one is more of a sweet candy rose, kind of like flowers, I don't know, like floral, like a sweet floral. And this one's a powdery vanilla sweet floral as well, but there's something with mixing those is a bomb. And obviously this one's just like sweet sugar, like brown sugar, bomb. So yeah, but anyways guys, yeah, I just wanted to show you really quick that. But I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I'm so cold, so I decided to wear this sweater. I was gonna say sweats, but I was wearing already these leggings, this shirt, and this, and I decided to put this necklace. So I'm gonna show you what I've been obsessed with. Myself some fries with nacho cheese and jalapenos. I'm so excited to eat.
Me too.
Yes. This is bomb. I recommend, if you buy the frozen fries, put them in the oven, I like to get some seasoned fries. I don't know the brand, I can't remember, but they're seasoned fries and they're bomb. And then by themselves.
You could try it with salt.
Yes. And I decided to put some hot nacho cheese, super warm, and then jalapenos, and it's delicious. It's good, huh? Okay.
Yeah, I just did this. That means like you like it.
Yeah, this is so delicious.
Mm.
Mm. Mm.
I'm gonna cover that.
Okay, baby. This is a fast little snack. So good, guys. I love nacho cheese. And I like to like warm it up super hot. Mm. I thought they were fine. The only thing I don't like, my lip gloss gets all over my straws. Yeah, so this is how much I have left. I'm so glad I still had some nacho cheese left because it makes a big difference. Mm. What do you give it from 1 to 10?
Me? I give it a 10 out of 10.
That's good, huh?
What did you give it out?
A 10 out of 10 as well. Mm. But I had a bad jalapeno.
I got a long fry.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good.
I don't know why I didn't think of all the times that we were getting wings. You know how Dad wasn't getting fries? We could have made our own fries to eat it with the wings and stuff.
I could see the potatoes.
Excited to get my sister offered to come up here to do my nails on Thursday. So keep an eye for that. I think I might record. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna do the little TikTok little snack, the banana with the peanut butter, and then put it in the freezer and tomorrow see how it goes. So wish me luck. Today is Saturday. Sorry if it's gonna be super loud today because today the 49ers play. And if you're a 49ers fan, you know today's a very important day. So hopefully they win today. But yeah, so if you hear my husband being loud, you know why. So I wanted to do a really quick mukbang. He got us Epic wings, so I have a Coke, even though this Coke does not taste like Coke. It tastes like uh what is it called? Oh, I forgot the soda I don't like. My husband said he got me Coke, but it tastes like Dr. Pepper. That's what it tastes like. But and I got some bread in here, and I got my Epic wings, atomic hot. In my opinion, they're not as hot as I remember them being hot. And I do not like blue cheese from this place. I love the blue cheese from what is it called? Buffalo Wild Wings. Hold on. I love blue cheese from Buffalo Wild Wings, but not from this place. And my husband, instead of getting me ranch, he got me blue cheese, and he knows I don't like this kind, so yeah. But I only got 3. I'm so excited. I got a fork, and I should have gotten a little knife because it's messy. It's not as warm because he went to McDonald's too to get the boys some Happy Meals. But the flavor, I don't remember being crazy about this bread, but we'll try that. I'm gonna say this one. My husband already had one, but I don't think the boys like this one either. Yeah, I'm not that crazy about this bread. I remember because they have butter. Hold on. I ran out of butter, so I was trying to get more butter to give it more flavor, but I'm just gonna take a bite. Wow. Yeah, it's not really spicy, and it's supposed to be like the hottest flavor. I'm gonna put lip gloss. I feel like it's gonna be sorry, you can see my tummy because this shirt, I got it from Fashion Nova like a year ago, 2 years ago, and it's super open from the back, and no matter how I tie it, it's so loose. See, so this one I only wear it at home, because if not, it would be coming off in public. It tastes like Dr. Pepper. Wow, this is so delicious. Let me put some sauce on this. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have had more fries. I mean, I have some fries to make, but I'm too lazy to make fries because I'm already eating. But next time I'll make my fries from yesterday and eat them with the wings. It would be so bomb. Mm. Even though it's not that spicy, like it still gives you a runny nose. Ooh. But I feel like it's my lips. My lip glosses are burning because I put some that have like the tingling, like the minty and like burning sensation. So even though it's not that hot, like I feel like it's triggering the lip gloss, the plumping lip gloss. And I like mine super, super, super soaked. But I do wish I had some fries right now. Okay, I feel now I can actually feel the spice a little bit, but nothing crazy. But now it's like it's building up. I just don't like to get stuck in my teeth. So if you like wings, write down below what's your favorite wing place and what flavor do you get. Sorry. Oh. There's the bread that gets so stuck. I hate the feeling. I put one of my glass straws because I didn't know that there was straws in the bag. Okay, that's my last bite for the second wing. And then I only have one left. We only got a 3-piece. Because that's perfect, you know. I get full with 3 is more than enough. Okay. So this is my last one. My kids came running in here. Oh my god. My nose. Oh my gosh. I'm now dying. So once you hit the 3rd piece, that's when it kicks in. Okay guys, so this is the last little piece I have left. It's extremely spicy now. So I guess after you take your third sorry, wing, I feel like that's where all the spiciness is. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. The last piece was what I remember it being when I first started eating these wings. That's how I remember how spicy it used to be. But I guess the sauce was more under, I don't know. But the third piece is where it hit me hard. So just be cautious. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I survived that spicy little thing going on. I finished with this. It was weird because the first two were not that spicy, and then the third one is where it hit me. But yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm obsessed with these two lip glosses that I'm wearing. And the first one I applied was the Buxom lip polish, not the lip polish, but this is the lip cream because it has more of a color and it's thicker consistency. And this one obviously is in Dolly. And I applied this one first, and then I applied my Fenty Beauty in number 2 Fussy Heat. It's a gloss bomb heat, and these are two supposed to be like plumping lip glosses, but yeah, I'm obsessed. So I wanted to show you. And today I'm wearing this, nothing special, but like I said before in the past, I wanna use all my perfumes that I never use anymore, that I'm already like almost done with. I'm starting to use all those, and this is one of them. So let me spray it again. This one smells really good. It just doesn't last. And it's not I don't know why people were saying that it's a strong perfume, but maybe they diluted this one, because I got this one with the, like I said in the past, with the travel size. I got them both at what was it? It was a special deal that they had at Kohl's. So I got it for $50 with the travel size, but I finished the travel size because, like I said, this doesn't last. So you have to constantly spray it throughout the day. But the scent is very beautiful. It's like a really pretty scent, like kind of like super fresh, clean, sweet. I don't know, this reminds me of like a department store from like Macy's. Yeah, like just like the mall. But like I said, the only thing it does not last is Coach, and it's just the original one. So yeah, so that's what I'm obsessed with right now. Well, I'm not obsessed with this, but this is what I'm wearing today, and this is what I've been obsessed with. So yeah, anyways, guys, I might record the whole week because the weekend's almost over. It's Sunday. If not, I'll just post these clips that I've done and try to record next week. But like I said, I don't do anything exciting or interesting, so I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'll talk to you guys later.